light leader. Just so you know. If he's got to go around that anchor, just do whatever he needs to do, over or under. That's a little tuna. Good bait. Your salad. Yeah, that's what I was throwing them pilgrims out one day and they were coming up in the schools, yeah. I got you reeling over. Yeah, it's cool. Fun?
Yeah.
Put him in a box, cut him, cube him up.
I know it's just a new
I'll take a picture of it for you.
my friend told me the difference.
Yeah, that's cool. It's tuna. Oh shit. Something decent in there this time. Who's in there? Oh, yeah. That's your button right there, isn't it? Now, what is that? A big porgy. Big porgy, man. That's a good one. Yeah. Yep, I'm pretty sure that's a big porgy.
Palm him or not?
Watch his teeth. Here's a rag. God, that's pretty, isn't it? Yeah, that looks like a big giant porgy. Yeah, almost looks like a sheep's head, doesn't it? Let's get that net ready because I'm not gonna be able to leader him up. It's a 20-pound leader. See him? As soon as that thing went down, there he comes.
You got him hooked good.
I don't know. God, I love this rod.
Hunter just got one. Another one there.
All right, ready? Nice. All right, well done, yeah. Just drop that net down and I'll broke it. Yep. See my bead, my leader. Oh, just get that out of the way. Near the anchor. Alright, let's see the leader. I got the leader. I think it's like a 6 foot. What I'll do is I'll walk towards the front